drones can fit in a fireworks show? Why did Elon Musk share this one? Meet Liuyang, a small town in China that's been making fireworks for 1,400 years. Today, they supply 60% of the world's fireworks. But making history, it takes something more. Led by Zhong Ziqi, a 58-year-old retired soldier, they synchronized nearly 16,000 drones with fireworks, down to 0.01 seconds. First, they created a spectacle where fireworks bloomed in broad daylight. Then, at night, they painted a tree of life across the sky with a synchronized drone and firework display. 2 Guinness World Records, one night. And here's the genius. These fireworks are eco-friendly, zero smoke, biodegradable launching tubes. From London to Sydney to Dubai, Liuyang's fireworks light up the world's biggest celebrations. But this isn't just about fireworks. It's about what happens when a 1,400-year-old craft meets modern innovation. Tradition doesn't die, it evolves.